Okay, so I put an audio compressor filter over my mic in OBS, so it won't top out as easily, and I think I can make my mic almost as loud as I want. So let's just this is on a different save, which is why Brutal is different. This is actually my first save ever. I have a bunch of different saves for whatever reason. I don't think I might ever finish Ship of Fools or Heresy, but let's play through at least the prelude with the audio compressor on my mic. Oh, that's right, I swapped for a different thing. Also, fun fact, I found this watching a Linguini video. Or maybe it was Gronf, I don't know. I don't actually know either of them, I just watch their videos because they're funny. Although Grump's voice is kind of annoying. Although I have no right to be making fun of him for his voice whenever I sound like this. I did that purely to look cool. I failed though. Oh wait, no, I can't core nuke. I need blood. That didn't work. Filth on Brutal is weird. Like, they jump. I want to see how Ultra Kill Must Die would make them. Also, fun fact, it took me like 10 minutes to realize that this, the secret in this part of the level was moved to here. R&R. That was a dumb move. Oh, what? One of the fills ended up behind it. Oh, what? Okay, so apparently coughing maxes out my mic. I just coughed in the mic and it died. Hi, Maurice. Oh, Insta. Nice. Let me retry that. That sucked. There we go. What if I move my mic away from me? Is the frame rate choppy? I'm like looking on OBS. I'm gonna... Okay, so I couldn't actually change anything, unfortunately. So I think the frame rate is just permanently choppy, and so does it also like look weird to you guys? Like I don't often watch my own videos. So. No, I think it's just OBS being OBS. I always hate that Cerberus statue. Die. That's not what I wanted. That is also not what I wanted. What? Oh! I am just sucky today, I guess. Oopsie. Oh, I tried to hit the parry on that. I've done it before. I don't know if it was on camera though. Die. I need blood. Just like any living human. Because I'm totally not V1. That didn't work. Okay, nope. Oh no. Bummer. That didn't work. Look. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, I missed that railgun shot. Let me parry. That was like the slowest I've ever fought Swords Machine. Sorry about that, my friend started spamming my phone. I am very bad at this game. I'm going to die to a filth. I died to a filth. I'm this bad at the game. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. That was, Horde. Forgot to get the Saw Blade instead, so... Oh, that sucked. Oh, did your brother die? Oh! Power of machines. Okay, that... Alright, well that was the prelude with compressor on my mic, so I really hope the audio actually fucking worked this time.